In this video, I'll show you how to add a cinematic light sweep transition in Adobe Premiere Pro using light sweep. This transition creates a moving streak of light between your clips, making the scene change feel sleek, polished, and premium. It works great for title reveals, product cut videos, commercials, and cinematic edits. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for light sweep. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Angle controls the direction of the light sweep. Width controls how broad the light streak looks. Intensity controls how bright and strong the sweep appears. Edge controls how sharp and defined the light streak looks. Wipe. Feather controls how soft the edges of the sweep appear. Use a shorter duration for a quick, sharp sweep. Use a longer duration for a smoother, elegant transition. For best results, this effect looks amazing on high contrast footage or title text on dark backgrounds. And that's it. That's how you add a cinematic light sweep transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.